Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blogger Tutorial. Today I am going to explain how to get eligible for AdSense. In previous video, I had explained that what is the partnership between Google to companies, advertiser companies, and the user. So continuation of that, I will here explain the requirements which are needed to get AdSense account from the Google. So first requirement is you have at least 20 posts. So 20 is not round figure, I guess, because I have a blog which has 19 posts, but he was eligible for AdSense. So above 20 posts you are eligible, you can eligible for AdSense. But one thing kept in mind, what is that, which is your post have at least 300 words in one post. I mean, in one post where you have 300 words, then you will eligible for AdSense. So you can manipulate how to write 300 words. And second thing is no grammar mistakes. That's a very important thing for AdSense, for anything, for any purpose, because if user opens your blog, opens your blog to improve his knowledge or to improve his doubts, to clear his doubts, so in your post no grammarly mistakes. So for that, Google Chrome has an extension called Grammarly, which is available in Google Web Store, Chrome Web Store. I suggest you can add that extension, and after that you can write the posts. The third thing is you have unique images. I suggest do not copy image from other websites or even Google search, because Google will trace any copied document and they will block from AdSense. So better thing is that you have to create our own image, or you can either it can be your screenshot, or either it can be a photo of any phenomenon. So the thing is that do not copy the images from other websites. The fourth thing is content will be yours. That's good. That's a very important thing for AdSense. I have seen many users copy the content from other website. They will paste their content to text file, and they will copy it from text to Blogger editor. They will think that Google will not trace, but it's not true. Google will trace anything you stolen from any other person's copyright things. So be aware of this thing. Do not copy paste from anywhere and anything to your blog. Make it properly clear, neat and clean, and eligible for AdSense. And once you get AdSense account, you will start earning from that. So this is my blog, www.codehubc.blogspot.in. You can go through it, and this is for learning purpose. This blog is about C language, so you can prefer that. And that's it. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you guys.